Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to negotiate your internet bill in Rocket Money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So now if you want to simply negotiate your internet bill with Rocket Money, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Rocket Money and either upload a photo of your bill or manually enter your account credentials. Once you have done this, Rocket Money will then use this information along with your account details and preferences to negotiate a better rate with your provider, which can take up to 2 weeks. You should also provide any additional information you think will be helpful to negotiate. So you need to simply start the process, choose your provider, provide your bill information, confirm your details, and if you have additional details, you need to give that as well. So you need to include the most recent bill, account holder's name and your name, your service details, and any special promotions or discount. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.